What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we have something very special, guys. We have got two JDMs, two Nissans, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-RR in this amazing yellow paint, and the LBWK GT Nissan 35GT-RR version 2 or the R35 GT in the Liberty white body kit. And like I said, Liberty Walk right there. And we are going to unbox these two vehicles shortly, and I'm going to show you little details, quirks and features of this car, and I hope you guys enjoy. So there you have it, guys, in its full out of case form. I think these cars look insanely amazing. I'm speechless. I think these are insane cars. So we are going to start with the Skyline 2000 GT-RR first. So obviously we're going to start the right side of the vehicle. We've got this amazing yellow paint job. The windows are scrolled down. Of course, we've got the Skyline at the back right there. Wheels spin amazingly well. And you guys, if you can see, the wheels are actually I think this is called cambered, if I'm not wrong, but the wheels are actually a very nice design. I absolutely adore these wheels. These are insane wheels. I think they go amazingly well with this car, and it adds so much feature, so much character to the car as well. And yeah, I'm at a loss for words. It's insane. Of course, the front wheel as well, you can see right there. And yeah, so if you actually look at the front, we can actually see the front splitter right there, the front lip, you know, if some of you want to call that. And of course the aero ducts as well. And I think this car looks insane. Look at the headlights right there as well. And of course, if we move on to the left side of the vehicle, the same thing as the right. The wheels spin amazingly well. You have the front indication light right there, which is a very nice detail. And of course the rear, the Skyline, the rear indication light as well in the orange. So you know, that little attention to detail is just what makes this car insanely amazing. It's very nice. And of course there's a little bump at the rear. I'm not really sure where the bump is from. I think that might be a defect, but you know, it doesn't matter, because regardless, this car is insanely amazing. And if you move on to the back, which is, you guys, let me just try to get the focus right, but you can actually see the fender flares right there, and you can see the GT-R logo right there. Now I don't know why the GT portion of the GT-R logo, it's a bit hard to see, but yeah, it says GT-R right there. Of course you've got the circular tail lights as well, the iconic GT-R circular headlights, which is always amazing to see. And this car really feels amazing. And guys, look at this, check this out. The amount of intricacies, the detail of this base is insane. This has to be the best ever base on the main line that I've seen. This is insane. Just look at the amount of details, guys. And it's not just printed, you know, it's textured, it's, you know, it's elevated, and you can actually see all the details. And guys, you know me, I'm a sucker when it comes to base details, and that's amazing. Now we're gonna move on to the R35 GT-RR with the Liberty Walk body kit. And guys, Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because I'm gonna say that a lot. This is girthy and this is wide and she is thick, guys. So we're gonna start from the rear. First, we got the LBWK logo right there, another LBWK, the number 12 Hotwheels and the Liberty Walk decal right there. And of course the wheels, very nice wheels. You can see the fender flares, the curves. I mean, this curve, she's curvy, guys. She is curvy, and just look at the curves. I mean, the paint job and this, you know, and the whole design really goes amazingly well. And if you look at the front, of course you got iconic GT-R. And guys, plastic headlights, they aren't printed. These are not printed. These are plastic headlights, which are really nice. Of course the hood and the arrows and the front lip right there as well. And if you move on to the left side of the vehicle quickly, really nice, the same, the LBWK logo right there. Anyway, let's just, you know, come back to this for a while, and you guys can see how girthy this car is, guys. I mean, just look at that. Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. And now we're gonna move on to this side of the car, the left side. So obviously the wheels spin amazingly well. We have got a few decals, like the previous side, the LBWK, the number 12, the Hot Wheels logo, and the Liberty Walk right there. And of course at the spoiler, we've got the LBWK decal once more, the amazing side skirts as well. So really, this car is really amazing. It's really nice to hold. And guys, this is the best part, the back of this vehicle. I mean, wow. Obviously you can see, Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because these are some white fender flares, especially in the rear, and this is legit a white body, you know. And of course the wing really looks amazing. You can see the iconic circular GT-R headlights, like I mentioned earlier, the license plate in with the Hot Wheels logo, the quad exhausts in this car, and the base unfortunately doesn't have that much details, but it's okay. The car is actually covered up for it, and more or less I think this is an amazing vehicle. If you look at the top of it, not much details on the top, But let me know in the comments below, guys, between these two cars, which would you pick and why. I obviously have to go with this because this is insane. Obviously the base in this wins, but this car, guys, I'm just in love with this car. The wide body, the paint job, the details, decals, even the the plastic headlights is insane. It's amazing. So yeah, I think this it's a car that I'll love to own one day, R35 GTR, or maybe in the future, maybe R36. I don't know if that comes out. But yeah, let me know in the comments within these two cars, which should you pick and why. And now we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. Just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing time unboxing these vehicles. They're gonna go amazingly well in my collection. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this video, and if you don't like this, let me know what else I can improve on. But just like guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.